Are you feeling a bit confused or overwhelmed about choosing the right hospital for your delivery? I've seen so many moms stressed about this, and trust me, choosing the right place can actually change your entire birth experience. In this video, I'm going to break down into super simply 5 things that you must check before deciding on a hospital for your baby's birth. Number one is check for the doctor's attitude. It's not just about their experience, because of course it is very important to have a doctor with good experience. But what if she is not communicating effectively with you? You will be left out very anxious. You want a doctor who listens to you, explain things very clearly, and respects your choices. Always remember, birth is not just medical, right? Also a personal, empowering, emotional, powerful experience. Two, know the hospital's birth policies. Before even you go for birth, try to have a delivery plan or a birth plan conversation with your doctor and know what is the birth protocol that the hospital follows. For example, some hospitals, it allows your partner or mother to stay with you during the labor, but some hospitals they don't. Some allows the skin to skin contacts soon after the birth, but some doesn't. So ask what is the protocol of that particular hospital, so that you are prepared. Breastfeeding within 1 hour is allowed or not. These are all the things that will affect even after the delivery. It is very important for your recovery and also for your baby's well-being too. Make sure that you know what are the hospital protocols, so that you are very well prepared during the time of your labor. Now, number three, it is very important to know that the hospital is ready for medical emergency. We all book for smooth delivery, but let's be honest, what if something unexpected happens? Does the hospital have a setup to take care of you and your baby? Even if you are at low risk, it's always good to be prepared. Okay. And number four, be very, very clear about the charges. What's the package for normal delivery? What's the package for C-section? And is there a difference if I take epidural? Are there any hidden charges for the clothes diapers or any other extra tests? Always make sure that you are aware of the insurance, if it is accepted, or if you can go for a cashless claim. All of this is clear for you. Okay. Number five, what happens after delivery is very, very important. Know that there is a lactation support provided by the hospital. So for those who don't know about the lactation support, it is provided by the lactation professional who checks your attachment with baby. Okay, make sure to educate yourself on this, on how to start the breastfeeding journey and what kind of support that you get from the hospital. Okay, so ask them, will someone guide me for the breastfeeding? Will there be baby care? How will my who will take care of my recovery? All these questions are to be answered by the hospital. Okay, trust me, all these small changes make a lot of difference. Just to recap, the 5 things that are very important to know about the hospital: choose the right doctor, ask about the hospital's protocols or the policies, check if the hospital can support you for the medical emergency, confirm about the pricings or insurance, if any. And fifth one, it's very important that the hospital supports you even after the birth. If this video gave you clarity or comfort, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with another mama, and subscribe for more. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thank you.